I want to watch my video. Did you see that? Let's watch this video here. Play from the beginning, right here. And let's watch this video right here. Play it. Did you take note of the video when I hold my camera and I hit the start button? I'm on horizon balance. I'm going to take this off of the area. I got a couple of things on the table. You hear a little ding, right? I'm going to put a level on this. Can you see that? I don't think so. This is a level. Now, I may not be leveled because of the actual button right there. I'm going to level it to the back over here. I'm perfect. So I'm going to go here, swipe down. Let me shut the application off. I'm going to go to the cog. I'm going to scroll till I see horizon calibration. Place camera on flat surface and start calibration. Do not touch it. Keep the camera on the flat surface. How long does it take? Not too long. Confirm. Don't want to move the camera. You're good to go. And I'm on the latest firmware, 10.00.31.12. Wait a second. Let's just name it version 01.03. Version 1.3. Get rid of all these confusing things. And then all my videos should play like this and have no hunting. I hope this video helped you out. Whenever you do a firmware update, a horizon calibration may be needed. And whenever you do an update, a factory reset may be needed. Whenever you do an update, a card format may be needed. There's always something that is needed. And this video is needed to help you out. Enjoy the video. Hey! Why did DJI never get a long press on the shutter button, a two-stage button? I don't know. Holy smokes! Camera came on instant. That's amazing. DJ